We are pleased to show you the 2021 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, privacy glass, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, electronic stability control, traction control, brake assist, Sirius XM radio. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.